Hello guys, my name is Sankalp. You are welcome to Lazylads podcast. This is my first podcast. Today we have a tech guy, Zeeshan Ali. How are you, man?
I'm doing great. How are you, man?
I'm good. I'm good. So you told me about that India. If India want to strive to become a good country or a superpower, you told technology will change India, right? So when it comes to technology, the first thing will come to the mind is artificial intelligence. So most of the users and as a starter of computer science, artificial intelligence, we don't know what it is. We always think it as robot. What do you say about it? What is artificial intelligence?
So, first and foremost, thank you, Sankalp, for inviting me in your channel. So, you're asking what is artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence is all about making a machine to think. Means we can put a human intelligence into a machine so that machine can work or think according to the humans. So basically there are two type of artificial intelligence. Okay, first is soft artificial intelligence, which we can see in voice recognitions or like a Google Assistant, that series. So this all come under the soft artificial intelligence. Now it comes the strong artificial intelligence, which is also known as AGI, artificial general intelligence.
Oh,
So we are using, so that thing we can use it in a robots, machines and all. We use that strong artificial intelligence. So that is all about that. Basically, it's all about automations. Okay, whatever the things we are doing as a human beings, whatever the all activities, whether it is a domestic activities or whether it is a professional or in the industries, anywhere, we just want to automate it. Like instead of us, we want machine to do our work. So that's all come under artificial intelligence. That's it.
yeah. It's not only about robots, right? Yeah.
It's not about robots only.
One of the most common misunderstanding is like artificial intelligence will reduce jobs and it is dangerous. What is your point on that? I want to know. Yeah.
So that's the major misconception in people's like,
Yeah.
what if that machine will take over that humans employments and all. So I think it's not like that. You have to think about it. It's not like that. So whenever the new technology come in the market, whenever the new things come in the market, they generate the new employment. Okay, for example, you can take a real life example like Zomato and Swiggy.
Yeah.
Okay, so in India, Zomato and Swiggy both giving a 35 lakh jobs for the unemployed peoples and all. So when the new technology come in the market, it will generate a new job opportunity also. And the other thing is that if whatever the normal things, whatever the basic thing, if the robots will do for you, the human can use their intelligence, the human can use their resources, the human resources, we can use it for some other purpose.
Yeah.
So it's not a dangerous actually. It's all depend on the human beings. If you make it dangerous, then it is dangerous. That's what my stand in these things. Okay.
Nice, nice. It's like new technology, new opportunities,
New jobs.
new jobs. Yeah. Now, recently they are talking about Web3. We heard about Web 1, Web 2. Now Web 3 is coming. What is Web 3? Exactly, what is that?
Okay. So Web3 you told. So to understand the core concept of Web3, you must have to understand the basic concept of Web 1 and Web 2. First thing you must have to understand what is Web 1.
Yeah.
Why the people are categorizing this Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. So actually in the Web 1, when the internet come in the market, that early phase we call it a Web 1, where it's like a magazine. Website is like a magazine. You don't have any input. You just who created the website, they only have the access to put an input over there. Whatever how they build, we just look it over there. So that's a Web 1 things. Now it comes Web 2. Web 2 become two-way. It's like when the era of Facebook's, that it means Facebook started the era of Web 2, where you have that access to like the post, comment, make a new friend. Means interaction happens.
Interaction, yeah.
Both way interactions. So that is the era of Web 2. And as of now, we are still in a Web 2 only. We are not shifted to Web 3. You got my point?
Yeah.
So the thing is that in Web 3, no, the major drawback of Web 2, first you must have to understand what is the major drawback of Web 2. So as of now, you're logging to Facebook or you're logging to Twitter or you're logging to any website, they have their own database, they have their own server. So whatever the activities you are doing over there, okay, I will give you one best example. For example, take example of Tinder. Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever you are doing in Tinder, swiping left, swiping right, anything, each and every activities is tracked by the Tinder server, by the Tinder company. So in future, if your son or if your daughter want to know what you did in Tinder, whom you swipe left, whom you dated, and everything, he approached the Tinder he approached the Tinder company, and then he or she will get your each and every past data.
It's crazy.
Yeah, that's the thing. Means your each and every data is stored somewhere. Okay, so to overcome this major drawback, there come the concept of Web3. And to introduce that Web3 means everything is under the blockchain technology, comes under blockchain technology. And the core concept of blockchain is that your data is shared among everyone. You got my point?
Yeah.
Your data is not in a particular server, not in a, your data is not in a particular companies. It's shared by every individuals, and no one have access to use it. You got
Okay.
my point. You are the real owner of your data. No companies, no institutions, no organizations, no one have the access of your data. Only you are the owner of your data. You can say that. And the first thing is that. And the second thing is that there is a one common server. You got, and there is only a single database. In Web3, there is only a single database which is in the form of node or a block. So that's each. So each and every block is interconnected to each other, and it will create a single separate database called blockchain. So that is the whole concept of Web3. So you can say that to decentralize the authority, to decentralize the single companies, or that so to decentralize the single companies things, we can use that Web3. We have to shift it from Web2 to Web3.
Nice point. Nice point. You told like Web3 can decentralize the data.
Yeah.
Yeah. How can it exactly decentralize it?
You
Right.
means how what's the process you are asking?
Yeah. Exactly.
So the thing is that first and foremost, how the blockchain works. I will explain you how the blockchain things works. Means whatever you do, okay, whatever you do in Web3 things, it will create one separate block for that.
Yeah.
Okay, and one block is interconnected to other block through hash code. There is something called hash code.
Yeah. Connection.
So every block have hash code, and each and every block, you mean each and every block is interconnected. Means whatever happen in one block, it will affect your whole chain. Okay, and it is highly impossible to hack it.
Oh, nice.
It's highly impossible to hack it. And if you want to change anything, okay, if you want to change anything, there is something called DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Those people have the full authority. Means you can't say that Web3 is totally decentralized. No,
Okay.
it's not totally decentralized. There are some organizations, there are some big means you can say there are a lot of peoples behind it. So that is the core concept of blockchains.
Okay. You told like it can't be easily hacked.
Yeah.
It is a nice. Like what all advantages are there if we shift to Web3? Like can you say?
So first advantage is that privacy means
Very important.
that is very important nowadays.
Yeah.
Your companies like Uber, Ola, they knows each and every actions where you are through the access of your locations.
Exactly.
They know each and every activity what you are doing. So that is the first thing. First thing is the privacy. Second thing is you can say that finance. Okay. So nowadays each and every companies have their own currencies, their own bankings, their own financial systems. So when it comes to Web3, there is a single, you can say there is a single currency like a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a single currency which is accessed by everyone throughout the world. Okay, nowadays when you want to share your money to send money to some of your friend who is living in other country, you have to take so many permissions, and there are so many hidden charges are also there. But when it comes to Web3, there is only a gas fee. Gas fee is a minimum amount which is which they take as a transaction fee. That's it, and you can transfer your money from one place to another place so easily. And the other thing is that in Web3, first thing is that your privacy. Second thing is the finance. And third thing you can say that free server or a block,
Okay.
or you don't have to pay for the database, and also that is the things. And other thing is that your ownership of your digital assets. Okay, so whatever the digitally you make art or anything you make, I will come to know when you ask about the NFT thing. I will explain everything. So that's the ownership. You can get an ownership in Web3 of your data. You are the owner of your data, your digital things, your digital assets, and everything. So that is the advantage.
Wow, nice. I think so. The privacy, such all things nowadays, it's very important. I think Web3 can change it. Next topic I want to talk about is something you are like fascinated about. Is Metaverse.
Okay.
It's a crazy thing where I can sit here and I can roam all the countries. I can see America from here. I can see New Zealand. I can see Antarctica. Somewhere people can't go. Can this technology can get there? So crazy thing. What exactly is that metaverse?
Okay.
Can you tell the users?
Okay. So you asked about metaverse.
Yeah.
Okay. So metaverse is all about creating a virtual world. There is a physical world, and inspired by this physical world, where the peoples are creating a virtual world where your each and every activities what you are doing in the physical world, you can do the same in that metaverse also. So that is the core concept of creating the metaverse and all, that you have a digital appearance. So there are a lot of application about the metaverse. Okay, recently that Meta company,
Facebook,
before
which
it is
now-
Facebook,
Yeah.
now it changes name to Meta. So their whole vision is to socialization. First thing is the socialization, and the second thing is that entertainment, and the third thing you can say it's working, gaming. So these things are the core concept. These things are the core, you can say core concept of the metaverse things. Okay. So first thing, how it will gonna change in gaming, I will tell you. As of now, whatever the avatars or whatever the asset you bought, whatever the coin, whatever the different thing you bought in a game, it can't be if you want to sell it to other people, you can do it.
No.
You can't do it. That once you buy it, you have to keep it with yourself. And the other thing is that recently what happened in PUBG, that when PUBG has been banned in India, your every data, your account, everything went off. Means you means there is not a in web 2 there is this, you can't trust to any companies, any gaming companies. Whenever they want to take your account, they can take down. So in web 3 is like whatever you can buy, in a form of NFT. Okay, you can buy in the form of NFT. I'll explain what is NFT later on. So whatever you buy now, you can buy in a form of NFT once you use it, and you can resell to other people. So you can do that in the gaming field. And the other thing is that whenever you wear that VR headset, you are in that game. As of now, it's in a laptop, it's in your mobile phone. But in a metaverse is that whenever you wear that VR headset, you goes into that gaming world. You are
feel
inside. You are that avatar. You are that player. You are that. Okay, whatever whatever your character is experiencing, you are experiencing that things. That the main thing is in the gaming. And in a fitness also, whatever the exercise, you don't no longer need to go to the gym to pay that money and all. You just the thing is that why the people hate going gym. First thing is that the gym surroundings, if the gym is not good, people don't want to go there. What if I tell you, I will put you in the beach. Okay, sitting in your place, sitting over here, I will put you in a beach by that virtual reality. You are there, or I will put it in a running track, actual running track. Okay. So that experience you can get in the metaverse. So it is more play levels, you're more entertainment. So that is in the fitness, and I will say in the tourisms. Okay, nowadays what the companies are doing, the tourism companies are doing in the metaverse, they already doing.
Yeah.
We are just talking, no? Then companies are already doing what
Correct,
they do.
true.
What they do? First, for example, you have to go to Kashmir.
Yeah.
Okay. First, what you do basically, you go to the office. They will show the photos and all these places. I will let you visit this place there and here and there, everything. But the thing is that what the company nowadays is doing, they are making a virtual form of that place. Okay, in the 3D rendering, they are making a 3D form of that place, and they are putting into VR headset. So before going to that place, they will show you each and every corner of that place in a VR headset. You are getting that short glimpse of that things before going there, and on the basis of that, they will ask your experience, and on the basis of that, they will charge you. So the people are already using it. And when it comes to the work, okay, so Meta companies is collaborating with Microsoft. So Microsoft 365, everything you can get it into inside the VR headset. You can get a virtual keyboard, you can get a virtual mouse, everything you got over there inside the metaverse.
Oh wow.
Got it? So you can use a multiple screen in VR headset. Now there is one laptop. Got it? One laptop. It is only one device is there. Okay. If you want to work with a multiple device, you can bring other laptop, other mobile phone, other device basically. But in the metaverse, when you put that one headset in your head, you can create a multiple desktop. You can create a multiple devices over there. Multitasking. Have you watched that Marvel movies and all? How they are Jarvis doing this. Everything is screen shut down. Next screen slides and all. You can do. Now you can do it. And the Meta now that Meta is also launched that new VR headset called Quest Pro. Through that, they will also take your facial expressions, eye contact. They can take it everything. Means whenever and the other thing is that how it. The next question you may ask that how it will increase the socializations.
Yeah.
Maybe you can, I know you can ask that thing.
Yeah.
How
Next question was that only.
I'll tell you how. People are thinking like if you give these things, they will more isolate to their place. They become more loner. Okay, they don't want to go out and meet people. They don't think like that. But the best thing is that in the metaverse, when you wear that headset in your home, I am wearing that other headset in my home, and we'll come in a common place. And I can track your facial expression, body language, eye contact, everything I can track. So that will increase that socialization skills, and together we can play a video game. As of now, what you are doing, you are in your laptop. In my place, I am in my laptop, and in metaverse, what we do, we come together in the same game. Your character, my character, both we are playing inside the game. So it is more fun. We can express ourselves in a good way. So that is the best thing I can say. That's it.
Man, we can not only travel places, we can work, we can like play games virtually. Wow, crazy. You mentioned about virtual reality. And one more thing is there, augmented reality, right? What is this? What is role in the metaverse? Can you tell something?
So virtual reality, we can call it a VR, and AR is an augmented reality. So for example, you are wearing that specs. Okay, we can put a technology AR over your specs, and you can. It's like a mixing that virtual thing and the physical thing. You got my point?
Okay, basically it's like a movie. I can touch it. Everything comes.
Yeah, everything. You can see this also, and you can see movies also over there, animations, everything. So that is called AR. AR means it's a combination of both thing, virtual thing or physical thing. That is called augmented reality. And virtual reality is totally virtual. There is not a connection of physical thing in a physical thing into a virtual thing. There is not any connection between that. And now the new concept come here, which is called mixed reality. Mixed reality. For example, you are making any art, digital art. Okay. So for example, this thing. Okay. You want to put it more. Okay. And you don't want to what you can say. You don't want to change it, but you want to make a different version of this in a digital format. So in a mixed reality, what you can do, you can take this in the virtual form, and you can edit over there whatever you want to do. You can do, and this is this thing, and you can create a new version of the same thing. That is called mixed reality, which is the combination of physical thing and virtual thing. So that is called mixed reality. So in a metaverse, there are three components of metaverse. First is AR, VR. You can say a little bit VR, mixed reality, and now that now all the traditional technology like machine learning, DevOps, IoT, everything is now coming together. Yeah.
Recently, like 2021, I think so. There was a first tweet that was someone buyed the tweet in the NFT. What is that? How can we buy a tweet? Crazy thing. What exactly is NFT? Can you tell?
Yeah, that's the crazy thing.
Yeah.
People are buying that every kind of shit with giving a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's you can say that NFT is all about digital art. Okay, the people are shifting from current traditional art into a digital art. So the thing is that creating a digital art in the form of NFT give you that you can say ownership. Main thing is that ownership. That as of now, what we people doing, I am creating something digitally. You put it you put it in your content, and you can easily use it.
Yeah.
No one is gonna see these things. No gonna monetize these kind of things. But when it comes to NFT is all about non-fungible tokens.
Okay.
Okay, so it is like you can't recreate the same thing. You got my point? There is a uniqueness in there. It means every NFT is unique in their form. Okay. And the other thing is that traditionally in the art market, what the people are doing is, if there is something antique piece or something is there, they take it from some place, they put it in the museum, and they can sell to other state or other nation with a high price. Okay. But when it comes to that digital art in the form of NFT, you are the actual owner. No one is in the middle. You directly sell it to the actual buyer.
No broker.
No broker is there.
Okay.
In the NFT. But they misunderstand this concept. People misunderstand this concept. The actual concept of that actual motto of that creating NFT is that only to support the independent artist. Okay. To both financially and providing that a proper platform to sell their art and all. But it is misunderstood. Not a misunderstand, it's misused. You can say misused. So what people are doing, using artificial intelligence, they create an NFT in a collections. Okay. Creating 1,000 collection at a time. And they can creating anything.
Some are doing like MBA clips. They are taking and doing it.
Yeah, this is called the misuse of the technology. You can call it. It's a misuse of the technology, which is not good actually. But nowadays, when it comes to the bearish market, that all that shit in NFT field, they are all getting away. Means all that collections, everything, which is not, which is anything, any stuff, dirt or anything. They are selling in that NFT, but they are nowadays, day by day, they are getting away. So and the other thing is that in NFT marketplace, people are not buying your art. People are buying your concepts. People are buying that story behind your art.
Okay.
What your art is going to convince, what your art is saying. And so people are buying your story, concepts. So that is the good thing. And the other thing in NFT is not just about that art, digital art or something. It's altogether, it's like your music and your avatar, gaming avatars, anything which is in the form of digital, you can sell it in the form of NFT. So that is the NFT things. It is so crazy, but now that NFT market is going down and becoming more productive.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Nice. People who have like artistic people can sell their things in NFTs. Yeah. Nice. NFTs, to buy that, we use cryptocurrency, right?
Yeah.
What is cryptocurrency? There is not physical money.
No.
So what is cryptocurrency?
Actually, if I'm gonna explain you what is cryptocurrency, it will take you more than an hour. But in short, I will explain you. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency which don't have any physical assets. Okay. And the thing is that cryptocurrency, the core concept of cryptocurrency is to make it decentralized. No government authority is there. Nothing is in between. So, and the other thing is that in cryptocurrency is all about, it lies in a blockchain technologies. Okay. It is also in the form of blocks and all. So there are a lot of cryptocurrencies. Yeah. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shitcoin. A lot of Shitcoin is there. And Dogecoins. So these are the people are using mainly the people are using cryptocurrencies for trading purpose nowadays. And you are asked what the role of crypto in the NFT or you. So to buy and sell the crypto NFT, we use cryptocurrencies. Mainly we use Ethereum or Solana. Two things is more famous in that NFT things. So we use it as a medium to exchange that NFT or to sell and buy. We use cryptocurrency in that. That's the thing.
Okay, nice. At last, we are going to end this. Last question. So, you told cryptocurrency is decentralized. Yeah. It is not under any government, right?
Definitely.
The main problem is it can be misused, or it can be like terror funded. Yeah. What is your point on that? Is there any steps taken? What is it?
So the thing is that whenever the new thing come in the market, okay, whenever new technologies or something come in the market, people start to misuse it. Yeah. Before they get to know what are the consequences of that misuse, people misuse it basically. Okay. So in the crypto thing is also that even that what you can say, the medium or the app or the thing what you are using to trade, they first they will verify you. Okay, not a government. Okay, for example, you are using WazirX, or you can say using Coinbase. So they have that they have something, okay, to identify is it a is it a valid transactions or it is so it is for the misuse. So they have that right to stop your transaction or to regulate the things. And nowadays the government are also taking some further step to regulate it. But as a government of India, the government of India is so slow. They are doing nothing, and they are just whatever the traders are there in crypto traders are, they are just harming them. They are just putting them a flag. They are just stopping them to do further transaction, but they are not regulating it in a proper way. For example, Dubai government, they make a separate ministry for the Web3 things. In a government only, they make a separate ministry. But in India, they are just wanna suppress these things, but it's not gonna happen in future. And you are telling about the terror funding and all. Uh, it will is you can say controversial things, but there are some regulatory inside that app or the thing means the platforms who are providing that exchange, they identify that's the things. And it is a so early phase. Okay, we didn't go to that peak. We are in so early phase, and after sometimes the new things come, the new changes will come, and everything will get sorted out. But definitely the Web3 is realistic. We are in a not in Web3 world, but very soon we are in a Web3. We are in a metaverse. We will after this podcast we'll use the next postcard in Web3. In metaverse we'll plan. It will be more fun. For that you need some more what you can say funding. That's it, man. That's my point.
Wow, it was a nice session. It was more informative. Thank you, Zeeshan, for coming. Thank you, guys. If you are listening it till end, please subscribe it. If you want more videos like this, comment below. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Just subscribe him. He's a hardworking boy. Thank you.